All right, today we're out at California's Great America and we are ready to ride some roller coasters. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
What do you want to ride?
Flight deck.
Flight deck, let's do it. Great America. We're about to fly on flight deck here at California's Great America. This is one of the very first B&M inverted coasters ever made. In fact, I think this one is like serial number 2 or something, isn't it? There was Batman at the other Great America, and then Top Gun, which is what this originally opened as. And now we're doing flight deck. All right, guys, get ready for it. Here we go. Ah, crap. Oh, this ride is intense. Get ready. Oh, kick some sky. Catch my breath.
That's crazy.
That is an intense ride.
And that means you guys all are out of here and enjoy your off-road adventure here on Railblazer.
All right, guys, so we're about to go off-roading on Railblazer. I am never quite prepared for what is about to happen to us next. How you guys doing back there? All right, let's do this. Yep, this is one of those Rocky Mountain single rail coasters. And this ride is compact, fast, crazy, and absolutely insane. All right, here we are. Close to the top of the lift hill. Oh, man. Here we go, guys. Get ready for it. Oh, crap. Oh, my God. Oh! We went upside down! Oh crap, we went upside down again! Oh man, what the hell? That, woo! Oh my God, I don't even know how to prepare for this ride. It is absolutely insane and crazy. How did you do back there? Oh my God, it is nuts. Like, it's one of those rides, it looks small, but holy crap, it is insane. Woo! Alrighty, here we go, guys. We are riding Patriot out here at California's Great America. Now, an interesting fun fact about this ride used to be a stand-up roller coaster, but as you can see, we're all sitting down, we're kicking our feet, and now it's been transformed into the Patriot sit-down ride. So, we are now climbing the lift hill of Patriot. All right, guys, get ready for it. We are at the top of the lift hill. Oh, you know what that means. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Ready? Here we go. Oh, loopy-loop. Woo! Oh, man. Woo! Oh! Here we go, through the loop. Whoa! And we're twisted upside down. Whee! Oh! And popping back up into the brakes. All right, and that was Patriot here at California's Great America. All right, here we go on the Demon.
It's gonna get you.
Oh, here we go. Oh, we're in the tunnel! Oh, I heard the Demon!
It's gonna get you.
All right, guys, here we go. This is the classic aero looping roller coaster here at California's Great America. This ride has been here for years. It used to be the turn of the century. Now we're the Demon. All right, here we go.
Oh dear.
Get ready for it.
I'm not ready for it.
Are you not ready?
No.
I'm ready.
Oh dear, here we go.
All right, here it goes. No! Oh! Loop-de-loop number one. Oh! Yay, tunnel! Woo! Oh man! All right, get ready for it.
I'm not ready for it.
We have Demon Rock up ahead.
Oh dear. We're gonna get eaten. Does this count as getting eaten by something?
This is getting eaten by Demon Rock. No! Whee! Ready? Whee! Oh man! We got eaten by Demon Rock,
Yes.
and then now we're in the brakes. Woo! Oh man, that is the Demon here at California's Great America. Good morning, everybody. So we're out here at California's Great America, and we're riding Gold Striker. This is built to be one of the most amazing GCI wooden roller coasters ever built. So, we are starting with funkiness already before the lift hill. We're about to drop down this tunnel of love.